Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, I'm back with another strategy here. So I've already made a video on crash 1000, how to use this same strategy to trade on crash 1000. So if you missed that particular video, you can check the video before this video to see how it works on crash 1000. And in this video I'm going to be explaining details on how to trade with this strategy on boom 1000. So guys, as you can see now, this is boom 1000 1 minute time frames. So I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy and how it works on boom 1000. So guys, number one thing that I told you guys to always remember is to adjust the screen of your phone. If you want to trade this on phone, you need to set up your screen adjustment. You see, you can move this particular trade like this as you want. You can set it at the beginning and you can set it at the first part area, but the first part area is what we need in this video. So this is how we are going to be setting it, and it's going to align with our strategy at the down area side here. You see, it's begin at the between the M area. You see, this is the area that we are expecting our trade to start. So this is what you are going to be using. And also this strategy, I told you guys that you can use it to scrap up the market for you to catch up a lot of profits. And also you can also use this strategy to catch up a spike entry, only if you use it the way I explained in this video. So for you to catch up a spike, you need to identify your moving average, these two moving average, which is the black one and the green one, that is moving on below the 5 and the 10 level. You see what happened here, and I'm having my RSI that is crossing above them in this area. You see, this is going to give you a confirmation time for you to enter for spike entry. And you see what happened here, it keep on spiking. So, and also if you want to use this particular thing for scrapping, then you are going to be wait for this particular entry. You are going to wait for these two moving average. They are going to be crossing above the RSI 9, which is the red 9. They are going to be crossing above the RSI 9, and they are going to be reaching the 90 level. And once it reach this 90 level, this gives us a full confirmation that you can easily enter your trade and keep on trading successfully. You see, we have our take profit 1 at this 50 level. You see, take profit 1 at this 50 level, and also take profit 2. You can also take your take profit 2 when you have your trade reaching your 10 to 5 level. But majority of the time our trade might not reach that level, so I will only advise you to take it when you are up to like 60 level or 70 level or 50 level. That is where you need to set up your take profit 1, 2, 3. So let me show you more example of what I really mean by this, so that you can see that this strategy is working perfectly. Perfect. You see that? You see, we have another confirmation at this area. You see what happened here is that we have our entry. This is our 9. Sorry for that. Let me draw it very well so that you guys can see. This is our area. This is our 9, where we adjust the screen of our phone, and this is our permanent area. And if you can see, if we check that two moving average, which is the black 9 and the red and the green 9, you can see that they have formed an entry on the 90 level. They have formed an entry on the 90 level, which tell us that we are in a safe area. Even although if spike wants to happen, it will be a baby spike, and it will keep on selling down a long period of time. You see what happened here? It keep on selling up down, and spike, there is a rejection in the market, and it keep on selling down. You see now what happened here is that you might take your take profit 1 at this particular level, and you can keep on taking your take profit 2 here, and take profit. Three can be what can be at the down area here. So this is how you can what keep on scrapping the market time to time. And also you can use this strategy to catch up a spike. As I mentioned earlier, you see what happened here. As I mentioned earlier before, this is how you can analyze your spike entry, and you keep on what catching up a spike for long period of what a long period of time. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful video. And also you can like and share this video all around, and also you can join our Telegram group for mentorship and for guides for daily update on boom and crash index. So guys, don't forget the first rule I told you guys, to adjust the screen of your phone to the beginning of your chart. Don't worry about the settings. I'm going to show you the settings now. So I'm going to show you the settings now. This is the settings. We have the relative strength index, we have the period of 14, we have the applied to open, we have our style to be in red color here, and we have this different level. Just screenshot it the way I show you because I'm going to make it so fast. So we have the first moving average, which is the period of 5, our shift to be 0, we have our methods to be exponential, we have applied to close, and we have our black color here. Then you can press on done. Then we have our second moving average, which is the last moving average. We have the period of 10, we have shift of 0, we have methods to be exponential, we have applied to close. Then we have our style in this color. Then you can choose any color of your choice also. Then you can press on done. Then you will have the same settings I have it here on my chart. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Thanks.